TED Talk coming at you live. All right, everybody, so here's what we got going on. So the issue that everybody has is, oh, Johnny, your product cracks. Well, it does, only if something moves underneath it. Our product, this right here, is rated at 14,000, come on this side over here, PSI. So normal concrete is only 3 to 4,000 PSI. So our product that we put on top of concrete, helping preserve and protect the concrete, is 3 to 4 times stronger than actual concrete. So when we have a move like this, that's called a heave. You know, it either heaved or one of these slabs of the concrete of the driveway or the sidewalk moved. So it's pretty simple. So the thing that I'm going to show you today is this. First of all, our product has a rubberizer and a plasticizer in it, so our epoxy is phenomenal. And so when this side over here, this sidewalk dropped, and so when it dropped, it actually bowed this little spot right here, 2 inches, 3 inches, right where the edge is. So when we lifted it right here, this little hole, we drilled a hole in there and we foam injected it. And so we lifted the concrete to stabilize it and put the soils underneath. So we stabilized the soil. This now has a peak on it because this bowed when it fell. So it literally, when it fell, it's flat, but then it bowed like this when it dropped. And so we want to talk about a strong product. We want to start talking about a strong a surface. Boom, there you go. So what are we going to do today? We're going to do a little patch and repair. So stay tuned and you'll see exactly what we're going to do. All right, so here we go. Look at that. That's what bowed, and look how strong this is. It literally ripped the mender that we put in the crack out. So you tell me whose product is the best. Hard Rock. Nice. I love Christmas. That's what's up.
Very good, John. Thank you.